Up, we're back with another AMC financial astrology update that we do each and every week. Welcome back to the Market Moonlord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. Congratulations to all the diamond hands who have hailed through all the 30s, even dipping into the 29s. But here we are again, back to the $50 level. Crazy. Another green day on a Friday. I think it's pretty clear that we are gaining strength, and I think it's pretty clear that on this moon phase, we're set up for a nice full moon pop. As we can see on the chart right here, we had a full moon, or we had a new moon on the, I want to say it was on the 6th. It was on the 6th, and we can see clearly that since we came into the waxing, which is this blue background, when the moon is growing, getting bigger, it's a time for things to start to grow. You can see we clearly started trending up, and we got the exact setup I was looking for, a slow up movement into this new moon. It was a Virgo new moon, so I said that's a very stabilizing energy, so I would expect a nice steady incline, and that's exactly what we got, looking absolutely beautiful. In this up and coming week, we will be in full moon energy. Welcome to the Market Moonlord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the blue moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. Now, this full moon happens on the 20th, so that's going to be not this week, but not this coming week, but the week after that. However, we know that full moon pops can happen within 3 days before. And if we start popping on the full moon, it can continue 3 days later, okay, based on what AMC has done in the past. Now, keep this in mind. Not every stock trades with the moon phases, okay? A stock has to be a candidate to trade with the moon phases by either IPOing on a new moon or full moon. That's a clear indication that typically those type of stocks can be traded with the moon phases. AMC is one of them, and AMC, I mean, hey, we've been doing this for 8 months now, right? It's clear that AMC follows the moon phases, okay? It may not pop every single time on a full moon, but we can see the setup and the trends on the moon phases, and the people who have been sticking with me this long definitely know that. All right, so we don't need to go back and see all those full moon pops that we have gotten. Clearly they are there, and it looks like we're going to get another pop on this full moon. So why do I say that? Well, this whole time since this sixth waxing moon over here, okay, we never got past the high. Okay, the high over here was $46, and then we started dropping into the waning, and then on this new moon waxing phase, we started to grow a little bit, and then on this waning phase, we did grow a little bit, but we didn't grow past this waxing phase, so it was nothing to get excited about. We've been kind of consolidating from this waxing full moon, and we finally got past that level, that 46 level, closing above 46 a couple times, and now we're finally at the $50 level, looking absolutely beautiful, because now we're in, I don't want to say squeeze territory, but we're in a big move territory. It could be like a gamma squeeze type energy, but we are on the level where we need to be to say, hey, we might pop past that last pop that we had on this full moon that took us to 70. So this particular full moon, which happens to be a Pisces full moon, so you guys know I'm hype about it, does look pretty nice for a pop. Now, another reason why I say that is we can look at the indicators, okay? We're going up on the MACD perfectly, okay? We started to go down on the waning on the MACD a little bit. You can see the pressure, and then we kept the pressure, and now it's heading back up. The RSI on the daily is also pretty hot right now. We're at the 64% on the RSI. So the relative strength index and the MACD is both lining up also for a full moon pop. And you can see exactly what it did over here when we went to 70. We had the new moon and we grew. We saw the MACD, and then we saw it go down a little bit, okay, just for it to pop again on that full moon. And it looks like it went down a little bit, and then it's going to look to pop a little bit. You can see right here, started to go down a little bit on the waning, and then now it's starting to go back up on the waxing full moon or the waxing moon phase. And so on this full moon, I do expect to pop. Now, what else am I going to look for? First of all, we have to stay above this $46 level. As long as we stay above there, we could definitely get that full moon pop that take us to really high levels. Okay. Another thing I'm going to look for is volume coming into the full moon. So if we get a nice increase of volume this coming week, I would say by Wednesday, if we see the volume starting to go up, and that would be around September 15th, if we see the volume going up, and we see the indicators also going up, yeah, full moon pop, that's for sure. Okay. So I'm going to leave it at that. We have a full moon over the weekend. However, Thursday and Friday is still going to be territory for the full moon pop. And then that coming week, Monday on the 20th, it is fucking on. So if you guys are feeling this DD and want to show support, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are new here and haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like this type of content. And if you are a Moon Lord and you haven't hit us up at the Market Moon Lord Discord, you definitely need to check us out there. You're missing out. Great set of people over there. I appreciate each and every one of you guys over there. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching this video. And hey, I appreciate all the other AMC, apes, diamond handers, moon lords, whatever you want to call it. We're all in this together. All right. So this weekend, I'm going to drop a video where I'm going to be talking about the astrology of AMC this coming week. But I just wanted to put it out there that this full moon does look like the setup is there for pop. So I appreciate you guys watching. This is the Market Moon Lord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. Until next time, peace.
Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune.